Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house, where we're eating good food, sharing good times, and we hope you enjoy your stay. Let's get to cooking. Hey y'all, I know I said let's get to cooking, but we gotta get some groceries in the house in order for me to get to cooking. So we're headed out now for our monthly trip to the commissary. Now, I have not taken y'all to the commissary in a minute, so I thought, let my people ride along and let's go get some groceries for the family at the commissary. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome, and I'm glad you're here. And for those of you who have been here before, you know what this trip is about. My husband and I are retired military, and we like to go to the commissary once a month, once every 2 months, whenever it is convenient for us to be able to get down here to the commissary to do some big grocery shopping. So we'll go into the commissary and we'll come out. I'll show you all the groceries we got when we get back to the house.
I don't know.
So let's get to shopping. One thing I like to shop for in the commissary is meat, because the commissary has different types of meat, different cuts of meat, because they have to serve a wide variety of cultures, a wide variety of people. So not all the time am I able to get in my local grocery store Korean style ribs. So I can get them here because I do like to cook Korean food and I like to cook it authentically. So I like to make sure that I get those types of meat, those cuts of meat from the commissary while I'm here. And not to mention, the prices are much better. So we have Peyton and Noah with us today because Miss Aubrey has to work. And she was sick that she couldn't ride along. But we're getting all the breakfast meats and all the meat that I need to get to keep us busy for the next month, month and a half maybe. So I'm going to put some shopping music on and we'll finish our grocery shopping and we'll get home and do a haul. Okay, so they've gone to get in the line. I'm going to find me a little bit of something to eat for my lunch because they'll want Popeyes or something. And I'm going to get me some sushi because they make the sushi fresh here at the commissary. Not that they don't do that anywhere else, but I like theirs. So that's what we're getting. Okay, y'all. We are back home, and this is our grocery haul. We didn't get as much as we normally would get because the prices are just a little bit different. So I did get some baking things. I got some chocolate chips. I got all of my flour, some self-rising, some all-purpose, and a little bit of 2 self-rising flour bags. Some bread flour and some cake flour. Some cooking, some seasonings, of course. You know, I can't go without getting a little seasoning. Got Peepaw's coffee, chocolate for his coffee. The kids, some chips. And we got a lot of salads and things. We got enough coffee, I think, that will last us because we got this one and this one and this one. And if I could manage the camera and the coffee. And then we got these fresh veggies and fruits because I'm getting ready to make my ginger shot. I'm going to put turmeric in it. And there's fresh turmeric root. We're going to get that in there with the ginger and lemons. I'll link that above somewhere. And then here's all the salads we got because they were a good price. You know, when I go to the commissary, I go all off the deep end, but we'll eat all of that this week. And our avocados, I think these were like $2, which is fabulous. Then I got the kids some Boathouse drinks. Then over here we got our, just a little bit of meat. Not a whole lot, because I already had some meat in the freezer. Peepaw was so nice to pick up me some shrimp, because y'all know he's allergic. He's not eating it, but I will. Then I got some of this. I've never used this, but I saw somebody using it, putting it in their beans. I'm gonna try that, put it in my beans. So that's just my meat. My beans that I got. We keep beans at the house. So, and then we got the kids some cereal. Yeah, all this sugary stuff. Y'all don't judge me. I just give them what I can. They will eat those frosted mini wheats. So there that is. Oatmeal, they do like oatmeal. So we got them some snacks, some sugary snacks, some not so sugary. And then we got some ramen, because we can make some soups out of that. And all the things, and all my frozen stuff. I'm going to get this all in my cold things. We're going to get all this put away. And that's it. Now, after all that shopping, we're in the mood for some cookies. Let's make some spiced oatmeal cookies. In my bowl, I'm creaming my brown sugar, white sugar, and butter. And to that, I will add 1 egg. And you notice I did not put my egg in a separate container, because I could see what was going on in this bowl, because I pushed everything to the side. Anyway, let's mix all that up. Get our flour and our oatmeal in, a little bit of salt, some baking soda, and we'll get that mixed together. And then we'll add our spices, our cinnamon and our nutmeg. We'll get this all mixed together and get it on a cookie sheet and get it into a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 8 to 11 minutes. So, here's some cookie stirring music for you while I get these cookies stirred up. While the cookies are baking, we're going to make a quick glaze with some evaporated milk and some powdered sugar. It's a thin glaze because we just want it to drip over the cookies. The cookies are sweet enough, but you know, we always like a little bit added sugar. Why? It's because. Anyway, the cookies came out wonderfully. We're going to get them on a cooling rack, and then we'll add a little bit of the glaze. And we're going to have a little dessert and be happy that we were able to get out to the commissary today and do some shopping. So I appreciate y'all riding with us. And we're going to give this cookie a little taste, and we'll rest for a little while. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you give my recipe a try. Of course, that recipe, the ingredients will be in the description box. Y'all be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.